Problem number 27 is intentionally set up to be a mental math problem. And the idea on this problem is most students will work left to right in this problem, but when you have multiplication, multiplication doesn't necessarily, if all of these are multiplication, you don't have to do them left to right. You can pick and choose. So what I'm going to pick and choose in this case is to do this first. 4 times 5. So I'm going to pick off parts here. 4 times 5 is 20. And then if I take and multiply that 20 times this 5, 5 times 20 is 100. And then the last thing I'm going to do is multiply by this 19 because that's the hardest one to do. But now I have 19 times the 100, which now should be a simple problem. 19 times 10 times 10, which is what 100 is. So if you really can't do the times 100, you can think of 19 times 10 is 190 times 10 is 1900. So the answer to this problem is 1900. So part of the challenge with a problem like this, oftentimes some students try to do 5 times 19 first, and so then you get 50 and 45 is 95, and then they try to multiply that times the 4, and this problem gets messy really fast. And so rather than do that, I'm not even going to go there, because the idea here is I could do this first, get an easy number, 20, do this second, get a really easy number, times 100, and then multiply that times 19 and get 1900. I don't even want to do this because it's too much work. And really the idea of some of these mathematical problems is to try to encourage you to use other ways to solve problems. In multiplication, you don't have to go left to right. If all of the problem is multiplication, everything is multiplication. The order of operations says to do multiplication, division, then addition, subtraction, but if it's all multiplication, I can mix and choose. It's like thinking of this. 4 times 5 is no different than 5 times 4. And so the order in which I do them doesn't change the solution. So in this case, I would do this problem this way, not even go this way, because there's going to be a mistake somewhere along the way here. I don't even want to do that because I'll probably make a mistake. I'd rather go this way.